In this video, I'm going to show you how to install OptiFine in Minecraft 1.21.4. So as you can see right now, you are in Minecraft and of course you want to download the OptiFine version. If we quit at the moment, I do have Minecraft modded, but not OptiFine is the mod that I'm using. So now to go and install OptiFine, you'll need to go to any web browser that you have. So once you do so, you can go to the URL section and you can just go and type OptiFine as example. So OptiFine 1.24.4 install as example, hit the enter button and you should find yourself here with an OptiFine downloads. So once you click on it, as you can see, you'll be taken to the exact page. You can just go and click here on download as an example, and let's just go and click on skip. And as you can see, click on download again and you'll be able to download it. So once it is downloaded, you can just go and double click on it and make sure that you have Java installed. If you don't have it installed, you'll need to go and download, of course, Java as well. So go and download Java, type it in any browser that you have, and once you download it, you'll be able then to download the OptiFine. Of course, you can just go to the download folder that you have and double click on the OptiFine. And as I said before, for me, I already have the Java installed, so I don't have to go through that. Of course, for you, you'll have to download Java first if you don't have Java or if you don't see this option of Java before. So normally, let me just go and grab that here, this folder here. So double click on it and make sure to click on Java. So as you can see, just go and click on install. And once you click on install, of course, you'll have to go to your Minecraft launcher, whatever it is. Whatever it is, of course, on the left panel. So for me, I'm not going to show you my launcher, but for you, as an example, on the launcher on the left panel, you should find an example version option. You can just go and click on it and click on the OptiFine option. If you don't see it, of course, you'll have to close the launcher and open it up if it's still open once you install the OptiFine. Once you're done, you should find, of course, this mode added, and you should be able to start playing with Minecraft OptiFine. That should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.